Hello everyone, in this video I will talk about types of supervised machine learning algorithms. So under supervised machine learning, we basically have two types. First one is regression, second one is classification. So before I'll discuss about the algorithms for regression and classification, I just wanted to let you guys know when we should go for the regression and when we should go for the classification. So when we have dependent data in the form of continuous a number or some real number, example in this format, or I'll take a real-time scenario where we have to predict the price of a house or stock price. Then we can go for the regression techniques. And when we have data in the dependent data in the form of categories, then you should go for the classification. So under classification, we have binary classification, and we have multi-class classification. In binary classification, you will be having two classes, that is 0 and 1. So sometimes we want to find out if a person is suffering from a cancer or some other disease, then when we have to predict in the form of yes or no, then go for the classification technique. And we also have multi-class classification inside this. So if we have to predict the reviews of a restaurant, like is it good, bad, average. So these are the multiple categories we have over here. So when we basically have a dependent variable in the form of categories, go for classification technique. Okay. So under regression, we have linear regression, and under classification, we have logistic regression, SVM, that is support vector machine. Sorry for the handwriting, it's not at all good. Then we have k nearest neighbor, k nearest neighbor. Then we have naive Bayes and decision tree. So these algorithms like decision tree, KNN, and SVM, they can also be used for regression techniques based on the requirement. So apart from this, we also have something called ensemble techniques. So there comes a time when you don't get good accuracy using one single algorithm. So what you do in ensemble techniques, you combine multiple models over here, and then you combine them and you get one final model over here. This is the final one. And then you predict the accuracy. So inside this, we basically have three types, that is bagging, boosting, and stacking. Under boosting, we have ADA boost, that is called adaptive boost. Then we have gradient boosting, and then we have XG boost, that stands for extreme gradient boosting. And we also have random forest. So this is a quick overview of the algorithms which comes under supervised machine learning. And I will be discussing one by one all the details about these algorithms, the maths behind these algorithms, and when to go for which algorithm, advantages, disadvantages, and its assumptions in my next videos. So if you really like the content of this video, if you find it useful, please do share, subscribe and hit the like button.